morning. Thank you for calling room service. This is Dave Francis speaking. How may I help you?
Hi, I would like to order some foods.
Certainly, ma'am. Do you have the menu with you? It's on the table next to your bed. Did you see it?
Yes.
May I have your name and room number, please?
My name is Riza and my room number is 402.
Thank you for that information. Okay, Miss Risa. Of room 402, may I take your order?
One crispy pata.
Would you like a coffee or juice? How about some bread to go with it? Is there everything else that I can help you with?
That would be all. Thank you.
Okay, Miss Risa. May I repeat your order? You ordered for crispy pata. Is that correct?
Yes, that's perfect.
Your order will be delivered within 15 to 20 minutes. Would you like to deliver it right away or at a specific time? The total amount of your bill is 1,000 pesos. Are you paying in cash or charge it to your room? Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, I'm okay.